is Nick here, and today I'm going to show you how to operate the chronograph on your Seagull ST1901 movement. Now this here is a Seagull 1963 38mm. As you might know, a lot of other watches have the same movement as well. So today I want to show you not only how to operate this, but I want to show you some more details about the chronograph as well. So if we move a little closer. All right, so as we can see here, we have the start and stop button. So this is this one. If we press it, the chronograph will start running. Now, what you can see here is the minute dial, and on the other side we have the second dial. Now this one is running right now, and if we stop it, it will pause like that. And we always need to stop it instead of immediately pressing the reset button here, because that can actually damage your movement. And we've seen a lot of cases where it actually is damaging the movement. So we want to avoid that, and we just want to make sure that it's paused before we press the reset button. Now I will show you also that if I run it for 1 minute, you will see the little minute hand here start running as well. So let me just run it for a minute. And all right, so right now we saw that the movement are over here on the minute side, the sub dial, it actually changed to 1 minute. So right now if I reset it, you can see that it resets as well. So this is how to operate the chronograph on your Seagull ST1901 movement.